Question number 8 over here is on the topic on ratio. So let's do question number 8. Now 8A, apple juice, peach juice, and lemonade were used to make a fruit punch in the ratio 5:3:7 respectively. Ali used 2.8 liters of lemonade. So how much apple for AI did he use? Okay, let's do 8A part I. Okay, so this is the ratio, right? Let's write it out. Apple juice is to peach juice is to lemonade. So the ratio given in the question is 5:3:7, and the question tells us that 2.8 liters of lemonade. Ali has used 2.8 liters of lemonade, so 2.8 liters. So the question wants us to find how much apple juice did Ali use. Okay, so that means we can say over here 7 units is 2.8 liters, right? So 1 unit, so always find 1 unit, okay? It is actually 2.8 liters divided by 7, right? Because 7 divided by 7, we get 1 unit. So here we divide by 7. So 2.8 liters divided by 7 is actually 0.4 liters. So we want to find how much apple juice used. So that will be 5 units, okay? So here from 1 to 5, I times 5, which means that from 0.5 liters, 0.4 liters, I also times 5. So 5 units will be 2 liters. Okay, so the answer is 2 liters. Okay, so Ali used 2 liters of apple juice. Okay, so that's it for A part I. A part 2. How much fruit punch did he make altogether? So the fruit punch, right? So you add all the ratios up. Okay, that will be 5 plus 3 plus 7, because the fruit punch is all of these combined together, right? Because the fruit punch is made out of apple juice, 5 units, peach juice, and lemonade, 3 units and 7 units. So we add up all these units together, that will be the fruit punch. So this 5 plus 3 plus 7 is 15. So we have to find 15 units. So how many liters will be the fruit punch? So in this case, 15 units, right? So 1 unit is 0.4 liters, right? Which means that 15 units is 0.4 liters times 15. Okay, so that actually gives us 6 liters. So then that means that 6 liters fruit punch was made by Ali. Okay, so that sums up for 8A part 2. So let's go to 8B over here. So Baba makes a fruit punch using mango juice, orange juice, and lemonade. Okay, so the ratio of mango juice is to orange juice is 2:3, and the ratio of orange juice is to lemonade is 4:3. Find the ratio of mango juice is to orange juice is to lemonade. So for this type of question, let me teach you an easier way to identify what this question is asking. So usually there will be 2 ratios, right? The first is 2:3 and the second is 4:3. So you see this so-called a split ratios. They will give you 2 ratios and then they ask you to write it as 1 ratio. Okay, so basically what you need to do is to identify the common item of the 2 ratios. In this case, for this ratio over here, the common item together with this ratio, the 2 ratios share a common item. You need to identify this common item. So what is it? Very easy to see, right? That it will be orange juice. Okay, so what you do is to try to make the ratio of the orange juice over here the same as the ratio. What you try to do over here is to make this number, which is the ratio of the orange juice over here, equals to this number. Okay, which is the ratio of the orange juice over here. So let me repeat again. Okay, so you try to find the common item, that is orange juice. Okay, so this orange juice, okay, the ratio is 3. This orange juice over here, the ratio is 4. So you try to make these two numbers the same, and then you combine the ratio together. Okay, so let me provide you the answer so you can understand better. So the ratio of mango juice is to orange juice is 2:3, and then there's another ratio. There'll be the ratio of the orange juice is to lemonade is 4:3. So the objective is to make this number and this number the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to times 4 over here, which means here I also must times 4, and here I will times 3. So here I also times 3. Okay, so that actually gives me 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 4 is 12. And here 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 times 3 is 9. So finally, you can see that here is 12 and here is 12 for the orange juice. So we have succeeded in making the numbers the same. So once we have done that, we can combine the ratio all together. So so mango juice is to orange juice is to lemonade. The ratio will be 8, okay, is to 12 is to 9. And we are done with this question. Okay, so that's it for 8 part B.